Welcome. Enjoying the studies? Please keep enjoying. Keep revising, keep listening, keep seeing, keep watching me, and you will feel motivated. And surely you are going to uplift your life, your career, your studies, right? So, today we are going to learn about the addition of algebraic expressions, right? How we do the addition in algebra, right? So please pay attention on the board. There are some methods. Pay attention on the board. Thank you. So the process of addition of the algebraic expressions is very simple. We have to add the like terms, right? I hope you all remember what are like terms. The terms which have the same literal factors are called the like terms or the similar terms. Now take your writing pad and keep listening to me very carefully to the explanation I'm giving over here. See the first example. Add 6xy square minus 4xy square, xy square and 5xy square. So these are like terms actually. We are having the same literals in every term, xy square. So we will simply add them horizontally, and if we take xy square common, we will simply add the constant numbers and we will get the desired result as 8xy square, right? See the next one. 5x square minus 2x plus 7 minus 9 plus 7x minus 3x square plus 4x square minus x plus 1. Now the important thing is you have to be very careful while writing down the steps. In the first step, you try to write the like terms side by side. Say for example, I have written 5x square minus 3x square plus 4x square minus 2x plus 7x minus x plus 7 minus 9 plus 1. So we can add the like terms. For x square we have 5 minus 3 plus 4 x square, and then for x we can have minus 2 plus 7 minus 1, and the constant numbers are added as 7 minus 9 plus 1 separately. So while adding, we are adding actually like terms to the like terms and the constant numbers to the constant numbers. So finally we get the answer as 6x square plus 4x minus 1. So this is the normal method which is being used for addition. We write all the expression in a horizontal line, then we add the like terms as I have shown in the above example, and we get the desired result. Now another very important method is actually column method, which you will find much easier. Now see this example. We have to add the following expressions: 5x square plus 7y minus 6z square. Another one is 4y plus 3x square and 9x square plus 2z square minus 9y and 2y minus 2x square. The process in the column method is very simple, very simple. In this method, each expression is written in a separate row such that their like terms are arranged one below the other in a column, and the addition or the subtraction of the terms will be done column wise accordingly, right? So we can see that we will add 5x square plus 3x square plus 9x square minus 2x square, and finally we get the answer as 15x square. Same way, 7y plus 4y minus 9y plus 2y will give us 4y. Same way, minus 6z square plus 2z square will give us minus 4z square. So we get the final answer as 15x square plus 4y minus 4z square. You can check this answer by doing the horizontal method also, the normal method, right? You'll get the same answer as I explained earlier. See another example. We have three expressions: 3a minus 2b plus 5c, 2a plus 5b minus 7c and minus a minus b minus c. So you add the like terms and get the final answer as 4a plus 2b minus 3c. I hope it is very clear now. See the next example. We have x minus 3y minus 2z, 5x plus 7y minus z, and minus 7x minus 2y plus 4z. So if you add accordingly, you will get the final answer as shown. Focus on the next example. M square minus 4m plus 5 minus 2m square plus 6m minus 6 minus m square minus 2m minus 7. So add the like terms and be very careful about the signs, right? And you will get the required answer. See question number 4. 2x square minus 3xy plus y square minus 7x square minus 5xy minus 2y square and 4x square plus xy minus 6y square. So add the like terms keeping in mind the signs of the terms. You will get the answer as shown. See example 6. We have x square minus a square minus 5x square plus 2a square minus 4x square plus 4a square. So same way, keep on adding, practice more and more sums and you will get the clear understanding about the addition of the algebraic expressions. See the next one. We have 4xy minus 5yz minus 7zx minus 5xy plus 2yz plus 2zx minus 2xy minus 3yz plus 3zx. So add and find the answer. See the next one, interesting one. We have 2 plus x minus x square plus 6x cube minus 6 minus 2x plus 4x square minus 3x cube, 2 plus x square, 3 minus x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. So just add the like terms using the column method. Keep all the like terms under each other and you will get the required answer as shown on the board. Okay? See the next one. X cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz minus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 6xyz, x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 8xyz. So add all the like terms and you'll get the final answer as shown on the board. And now see the final last question. 2x square minus 8xy plus 7y square minus 8xy square, 2xy square plus 6xy minus y square plus 3x square, 4y square minus xy minus x square plus xy square. So add accordingly using the column method and you will get the required answer. So class, this was the addition of algebraic expressions. I hope the topic is very clear. So many examples I have explained. We just revise them again and again. You can go to the description of this video or the end screen at the end and you will find all the videos of 6th standard mathematics in a playlist. Right? So happy learning. Goodbye. Love you all. Thank you.